is the new premium compact SUV that is launched by the Morris Garage. But now MG has taken it a step further with electronic tech with this car. You can see the Internet Inside badging is replaced by AI Inside, and it is loaded with tons of advanced features. But overall, how good is the Aster? Let's find out quickly with 10 things why you should buy this car. The front design is superbly done with chrome finishing grille. Auto headlamps and fog lamps are well fitted to the body of the car. There are no gaps in the door panels. All the buttons in the cabin feels very good. Touch and operation feel premium. I like the AC control and volume buttons. It feels solid. The exterior paint is Volkswagen quality. I for once thought I'm experiencing BMW X1 in orange color. Boot lid position and quality gives a premium feel. Personal AI assistant works with all the voice tones. It understands and responds fast. Music system in Aster is really good, better than the other cars in the segment. Aster is equipped with autonomous level 2, which includes lane functions, rear drive assist, adaptive cruise control, speed assist system, forward collision prevention, intelligent headlamp control. Panoramic sunroof is large. It almost covers the roof area. You can tilt both the front seats in Aster up to 180 degrees and can enjoy a good sky view. Try it feels really good. The dual tone interior Sangria Red makes the cabin posh and luxurious. Engine options are wide. You get to choose your desired transmissions. The 1.5-liter engine comes with a 5-speed manual and CVT gearbox. The 1.4-liter engine has a 6-speed AT that is a torque converter. There are 5 color schemes. All are metallic and MG has done an eye-catching paint job. We can expect a mileage between 16 to 20 kmpl. Well, it depends on the engine transmission. So, those were the 10 things why you should buy this car. Now let's move on to the things that you should look out for. Lots of technology. If something goes wrong, your car is off. I don't know why MG is so obsessed with the electrical components. This is a car, not a home theater. Under thigh supports are minimum both in the front and the rear seats. Surprisingly, I found that Kushaq has more rear width than Aster. Leather seats are hard to sit on. Long journeys may require lots of breaks due to low seating positions and less thigh support. The big bump in the middle of the rear seat makes it less of a 5-seater. A family of 4 adults and a kid can manage in this car. No auto-dimming interior rear view mirrors. MG Aster is dressed up in a suit and forgot to wear its tie. Some of the required features are missing. MG cars are loaded with technology and advanced digital tech. It can lead to more maintenance and replacements than usual, and also reliability comes into question. Engine is yet to be certified. The crash test is pending, and ADAS functions are new to this era. There are no guarantees that it is going to work on Indian roads. Any malfunctions can lead to a tragic incident. MG Aster's interior and exterior is identical to MG ZS EV. This is not a new car to the Indian market. MG has placed the engine instead of an electric motor under the hood. The MG petrol cars are yet to prove their durability and reliability in the market. So, these are the things that you should be considering before buying the 2021 MG Aster. To watch more videos from us, please subscribe to AutoShare India and also press the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.